Vanderbilt might have been the most intensely competitive of the capitalists of this era. He was something of a throwback in that he believed that by personal intimidation, he could conquer the market.
Vanderbilt would be ruthless in competition, and he was better at it than anyone else. He seized every possible competitive advantage that he could find.
Whatever it took to put your competition out of business, they were going to try to do it.
If they want a war, I'll give them a war.
Vanderbilt's career was always centered on transportation. That means that he was involved in the most strategically important and ultimately the biggest industry of the 19th century.
Railroads allowed the industrial economy to boom in ways that it couldn't have before.
This was the key factor in the rise of the American economy in the 19th century, and that was Vanderbilt's business. The New York Central Railroad became the centerpiece of his empire. And it came to him as the sudden result of a skillfully executed campaign to get revenge.
I want you to close the Albany Bridge.
Vanderbilt, in essence, single-handedly erected a blockade around the nation's largest city, cutting it off from contact with the rest of the country. He was now asserting his dominance.
Ladies and gentlemen, this train will not be going any farther.
We're going to watch them bleed.
Vanderbilt had the advantage of millions and millions of dollars. And deep pockets are always an advantage when you're trying to gain control of a corporation.
Vanderbilt's empire, $100 million estate represented, would today be in hundreds of billions of dollars, perhaps even $1 trillion single-handedly. But in terms of raw power, no one today comes close. He was at the center of the rise of America.